have my beautiful lady here who wants to show us something new from Africa, Ghana. Yeah.
This is the beans. I use the black eyed beans. Because of the time, I have already cooked it because it takes a while to cook.
Oh, yes.
It will take probably more than 30 minutes for it to get soft. And you will know the beans is ready when you touch it and you squeeze it and it's able to like mash like this, then it's like it's ready.
I see.
Fresh Simon. Okay. This is onion, ginger, and pepper. This is my fresh tomato cut, onion and salted fish.
The salted fish.
Kobe.
Kobe.
This is my palm oil. Engo.
Engo in Ghana.
This is my tomato paste. This is my corned beef. I'm gonna put my palm oil. And this is when it's heat, you are going to put your Kobe, which is the salted fish, and the onion. You're gonna put it together.
All right.
Whilst our oil is on fire, I'm going to blend the onion, the ginger, and the pepper
together.
I'm gonna put my blended onion, ginger, and pepper.
All right.
In the oil.
Okay. Okay. So now we are adding our cut tomatoes inside our blended
ginger, pepper, palm oil, Kobe.
Kobe. That is what I want to hear.
If you're gonna add the tomato paste into the stew, yes.
The fresh one has to go in before tomato paste, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alexia has tomato paste added, and I think has been on the stove for about
15 minutes.
15 minutes, okay.
Yeah, so right now it's actually a stew. This is like a stew on its own.
Alright.
So now I'm gonna add my season, and this is sankofa. I would wanna add my salmon to the stew.
Okay. Okay.
Now we're gonna add the beans. Yeah.
The stew alone can be a main stew without not even adding the beans. But because of how nutritious we want it to be, we're going to add our beans. All right.
And at this point, I'm just gonna add my corned beef to it. And after a few minutes, it's gonna be ready.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
This is the corned beef being added to the stew. Not long after we have added the beans.
I'm gonna put a little salt.
All right. And the salt, do you measure the salt or?
No, I don't measure. I use my eyes.
Oh. This is our final product of the bean stew. It looks so great. Very nice. Very amusing. And then I can't wait to try it.
Put it right here.
I think it's good enough.
It's good?
Yeah, it's good. Alessia!
Yes?
So you made a food yourself?
I did. You were here.
Let me have one more taste, please.